Hi there, I'm Bear Paw. This is Bear Paw Tracks. During Christmas of 2025, Gamay and I started something meaningful. We're celebrating our 40th anniversary all year. Our second stop in part one of our year of celebration brought us to Moab, Utah, and we stayed at Red Cliffs Lodge. It's tucked in a gentle curve of the Colorado River, just outside of Arches National Park, and somehow manages to be perfectly placed and completely removed from the noise of the world. It's a very secluded place of beauty and spectacular views. It's only 15-20 minutes outside of Moab, yet it feels like it's in its own little pocket of the world in a calm place along Highway 128. It's surrounded by towering red cliffs, the river that flows through those cliffs, and the unmistakable desert stillness. This is one of those locations you don't just stay, but you settle in and it nestles you within its hands. I spent time dialing in my new tools here, flying my drone, trying to figure out the specifics. The crazy part about it is, right when I hooked up my drone so I could fly it with my phone died with the battery. You'd think I'd figure these phone things out. I see a common occurrence here. I may need to go to school to figure out how to do it. Anyway, deja vu, so to speak. But I also figured out how to do the hand controls, where it can make it follow me, where it can come up and down, it can zoom in, it can take selfies. It's pretty crazy cool drone. I'm having fun. Here's a little bit of footage from that experience. A little crazy, right? I also was working out the bugs in my new gimbal. Nothing wrong with the gimbal, everything wrong with Bear Paw. But I'm learning how to use it and actually had some great success taking some shots with it. It was a lot of fun. Playing with all my new toys gave me a little more confidence in my abilities. Reference the first video that I put up on my channel. Getting better, and I'm learning to look at different things. I was able to document those stars because I had stability. The stability in being able to take video and pictures adds to the clarity and beauty of the shots I got. It reminds me a lot about my marriage to Gamay. The more stable we became in our relationship, because I was a knucklehead when we got married. I'm surprised Gamay stuck with me. But because of that clarity and that stability that she brought to our relationship, the picture of our life has turned out much more beautiful and exciting. The days were filled with explorations and going to see things, and then we were able to enjoy ourselves there in the evening. Just sit back, drink a little bit of coffee on the back patio, and watch as the sun set. And got up the next morning and watched it rise. That northbound stretch as you're coming out of Moab feels like an open invitation to what's next. Arches National Park is just 15 minutes away and home to over 2,000 natural arches. There are trails to hike. There are vistas to view. It is so beautiful. In December, the air is so crisp. It almost feels sacred because there's not near the crowds like there are in the summertime. Canyonlands National Park sits nearby. Mesa Arch is there. Dead Horse Paint State Park delivers views that stop you mid-sentence. And as a base camp, Red Cliffs Lodge is hard to beat. Oh, especially in the winter. Mainly there's not many people there. Kind of peace you only get when the desert exhales. Cozy rooms, epic views, adventure right outside your door. So what do you think? Winter in Moab? Drop a comment down below. And if you go there, tell them Bear Paw sent you. There's a link below. Hit the like button if it made you want to pack your bags, and subscribe for more adventurous vibes. See you on the trails or by the river. I'm Bear Paw, and these are our Bear Paw Tracks.
You're watching Bear Paw Tracks, where laughter meets adventure.
So that started a whirlwind romance. So that started a whirlwind.
I'm Bear Paw. The coffee's hot, the camera's rolling, and yeah, chaos is guaranteed.
Pacific Northwest Passage.
Bring you laughter, lessons, and probably more desire.
So we started our year. Whoop-whoop. That doesn't look good. Florida, Arkansas. Mineral Spring. That part I can probably just read with the video going like that.
That's what makes it ours.